Hello guys, so in today's video I'm quickly going to show you how to hide what music you're playing on your Discord. So let me quickly show you. So you're probably, when you're playing a music, for your friends can see that you're listening to Spotify right now, and if they right click they can see what song you're listening to. So let me quickly show you. For example, I play this. Oh wait, let me just mute that. And then if you click, as you can see what song is being played. So if you want to remove that, you can go down to your user settings, you can go down to connections, and you can turn this off and this off. Now what this will do is basically, well, remove your problem. Well, that's pretty much it. It's that simple. Anyhow guys, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. And if you want more videos just like this, subscribe. Anyhow guys, have a nice day.